In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download activity reports in Hubstaff, whether you're a manager overseeing a team or simply keeping track of your personal productivity. Accessing detailed activity reports can be crucial for analyzing work patterns and improving efficiency. So let's take a moment to go through this simple process together. First things first, you'll want to open up your Hubstaff dashboard. This is your command center where you can oversee various tasks, projects, and teams if you manage any. After logging in, you'll be able to see a host of options. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your screen. This is where you'll find all your navigational options neatly laid out. Among these, you'll spot the Reports section. Go ahead and click on Report. This is the starting point for accessing your activity data. Next, you need to focus on the relevant data sections. Once you're inside the Reports area, look for a tab or button labeled Time and Activity. Clicking on this will lead you straight to the detailed view of productive hours and activity levels. This tab is crucial because it's where you drill down into the specifics of how time is being spent within your designated teams or projects, helping you pinpoint hours worked and overall productivity. Now that you're in the Time and Activity section, you should see a calendar or date selector somewhere on the screen. This feature is immensely handy because it allows you to narrow down the scope of the report to specific dates. Click on the calendar icon or the date field and select the range of dates for which you require the activity report. Whether you need data for the past week, the entire month, or a custom range, this selector is your go-to tool. Make sure you've highlighted the correct period to ensure that the report meets your precise requirements. Once you've set your dates, you're almost there. The final step is to click on the Export button. This option might be located either at the top or bottom of the page, depending on the layout of your platform. By selecting Export, you're telling Hubstaff to compile this information into a downloadable file, typically in formats such as CSV or Excel. These formats are perfect for in-depth analysis or sharing with stakeholders who may need a detailed breakdown. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to downloading activity reports from Hubstaff. By following these steps, you will have a clear record of activities that can help in evaluating productivity and making data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on navigating and maximizing your use of Hubstaff.